Hello, welcome to the channel. As you all know, we are doing the short vowel E sound, which is E sound, and now we are going to cover the next family, which is N family, E, N family. Let's begin today's class. The first one in N family is den. Den, D sound produced by alphabet D, E sound produced by alphabet E, and then N, den. A lion's cave is a den. For that matter, any wild animal's cave is called den. The next one is pen, starting with P sound, alphabet P, E sound by E, and N sound by alphabet N. So next one is pen. Hen, H sound produced by alphabet H, E sound produced by E, and N sound produced by alphabet N. Our next one is men. Men, M, E by E, and then N sound produced by alphabet N. Now if I write this is man. See my mouth? Man. And this is men. So this is the difference between short vowel A sound and short vowel E sound. This is man, A sound, so you put A, and if it is flattened up, E, this is men. Man is singular, that means one grown-up boy. Men is many grown-up boys, men. Ten, T produced by T, F produced by E, and then N. 10. I have 10 fingers. I'm sure by now you know the sound of this. TH produces the sound of the N becomes then. Now, before moving on to sight words, let's read these words one more time. D-N, den, P-N, pen, H-N, hen, M-N, men, T-N, ten, D-N, then. Sight words. The sight words that we have today start with WH. Now WH makes two sounds, either V sound by W and sometimes only H sound, which is H. So we'll know WH produces where the sound of V and where it produces the sound of H. Today we are going to cover only the V sound. So W-H-A, D. There won't be any sound of H. We're crossing out H. W and A becomes what? 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 What is your name? What? No sound of H. V-N, when. No sound of H. W-Y, why. Why did this happen? Again, no sound of H. Where are you? So here, when I cross out H, it just means it does not produce the sound of H. It very much exists in the word. When we write the spellings, we are going to include H, but there won't be any sound of H. And the next lesson, we are going to cover the words which have WH, but they do not produce the sound of W. They produce only the sound of H. Now, for now, let's go through them one more time. What? WA produces the sound of W, remember? Then when, why, where. It's a question. Where, the sight word that we did just now, where, no sound of H. Where is another sight word, my, and N family word, pen. Where is my pen? The sentence starting with a capital, because it sounds like a question, it's a question mark in the end, not a period. Sight word the hen, h-e-n, hen, the hen is in, the hen is in, the sight word again, den, sentencing starting with a capital, ending with a period. It's not a question mark, it will end in a period, it's a statement. And that is all for today's lesson. I hope you understood it. And if you have any problems with the sight words, it's fine. They are a little tricky today, but they are very much important because we use these words in day-to-day life. What is your name? Where did you go? When will you come? We should know how they are written, how they are read. So if they're hard, it's okay. We'll keep practicing them in the next coming lessons too. That's all for today. Hope to see you very soon. Bye-bye.